Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we'll be looking at a max Olympiad problem. So here x square plus root 3 xy plus y square is equal to 25. Y square plus z square is equal to 9. X square plus xz plus z square equal to 16. Then find the value of xy plus 2yz plus root 3 xz. So here some logic is there in this problem. So as we are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video and try it. And also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you. So here this problem you can do in two methods. So here by using properties of triangle also you can do this problem. So if it is given for below 10th class, how to solve this problem? Okay, let's solve the problem. So in the tomorrow's class, I'll give the another answer. Solution. So let us take y is equal to ax and z is equal to bx. We are taking y value ax and z value bx. Then first equation will become x square plus root 3 into x into ax plus a square x square is equal to 25. So this can be written as x square common 1 plus root 3a plus a square is equal to 25. Okay, let it be 5. So taking 1, 2, 3, 4 equations. It is fifth one. Now if you take the second one. So if you substitute the value a square x square plus b square x square is equal to 9. So here x square common a square plus b square is equal to 9. Let it be 6. Now if you take the third one, so x square plus x into bx plus b square x square is equal to 60 now. So this can be written as x square into 1 plus b plus b square is equal to 60 now. Let it be 7 now. Now we are going to divide fifth one divided by sixth one now. So fifth one divided by sixth one means x square will cancel 1 plus root 3a plus a square by sixth one is a square plus b square is equal to 25 by 9 now. Now we are dividing 6 by 7 also. If you divide 6 by 7, you will get a square plus b square. X will cancel. A square plus b square by 1 plus b square is equal to 9 by 16. So here if you cross multiply this 9 plus 9 root 3a plus 9a square is equal to 25a square plus 25b square. So here 9 plus 9 root 3a is equal to 16a square. If you subtract here, 16a square plus 25b square. Okay, now if you take this side, here you'll get 16a square plus 16b square cross multiply is equal to 9 plus 9b plus 9b square. From this you can write 16a square is equal to 9 plus 9b minus 7b square. Now in the place of 16a square, I am writing this value. This value I am substituting. So here you will get 9 plus 9 root 3a is equal to 9 plus 9b minus 7b square plus 25b square. So here what will get, if you take 9 common, 1 plus root 3a is equal to 1 plus b plus 2b square. Here will get 18. So plus 18 will get 1 cancel. Root 3a is equal to b common 1 plus 2b. So here a is equal to b into 1 plus 2b by root 3. So here we want a square value. That implies a square value will be b square into 1 plus 2b whole square by 3. Let it be 10 now. So here let it be 9 now. Okay, 6, 7, 8, let it be 8 now. So here 9 and 10, from 9 and 10 now. So it is somewhat time taking now. Watch the video up to the end. 9 and 10. So here if you multiply with 16 now. 10th one, if you multiply with 16, you'll get 16a square equal to 16b square into 1 plus 2b whole square by 3. So this both are equal values. So 16b square into 1 plus 2b whole square by 3 is equal to 9 plus 9b minus 7b square. Now if you open the bracket, 16b square into 1 plus 4b plus 4b square is equal to 27 plus 27b minus 21b square. So here 16b square. So here I am writing 4 plus 4b plus 4b square minus 3. Minus 3 I am writing. Here you will get 27 common. Okay, 27 will take common afterwards. 27 plus 27b minus 21b square. So here we can take 4 common. 64b square 1 plus b square. Here 16 3 is 48. That 48 b square will take this side plus 48 b square. So here you can take 27 common. 1 plus b plus b square you'll get. So if you subtract these two, you'll get plus 27b square. Plus 27b square you'll get. Now this 1 plus b square equal to cancel. So b square is equal to 27 by 64. That implies b is equal to 3 root 3 by 8. 3 root 3 by 8, let it be 11. Next, you have to find a value. You have to find a value. So here from this you can get from 8. From 8, root 3a is equal to b plus 2b square. So here 3 root 3 by 8 plus 2 into 9 into 3 by 8 into 8. So here we'll get 3 root 3 by 8 plus 27 by 32. Okay, I will continue in the next. Root 3a is equal to, here LCM will take 32. So here 12 root 3 plus 27. So root 3a can take common. Root 3 if you take common, 12 plus 9 root 3 by 32. So root 3 cancel. A value is this one. Now a square value 144 plus 243 plus 216 root 3 by 1024. So a square value is equal to 387 plus 216 root 3 by 1024. So that is a square value. Now I want to find AB value. A value is 9 root 3. A value 9 root 3 plus 12 by 32. And B value is 3 root 3 by 8. So if you multiply these two, so 81 plus 36 root 3 by 256. Now what is required? So what is required is xy plus 2yz plus root 3 xz. So here if you substitute the values, here you'll get x square into a plus 2ab plus root 3b. So I am substituting the value. First you have to find x square value. So x square value you are finding here. X square is equal x square into a square plus b square. X square into a square plus b square. So that is equation 6. From 6 you are getting 387 plus 216 root 3 by 1024 plus b square value. B square value is 27 by 64 is equal to 9. Is equal to 9. So I want x square value. X square is equal to 9 into 1024 by 819 plus 216 root 3. So here it will multiply with 4. So 27 into value will get you have to multiply and get this value. Now I am substituting all the values here. X square value 909 into 1024, 9 into 1024 by 819 plus 216 root 3 bracket 12 plus 9 root 3 by 32 plus 2ab. 2ab means here 2 into 81 plus 36 root 3 by 256 plus root 3b. So root 3b will be 9 by 8. Root 3 will be 9 by 8. So 9 into 1024 by taking 3 common, 273 plus 72 root 3. Here if you take LCM, 128 LCM, here it will cancel 128. So 48 plus 36 root 3 plus 81 plus 36 root 3 plus 144. So here what will get 9 into 1024, 9 into 1024 by 3 into 273, 72 root 3. Here 273 plus 72 root 3 by 128. So these two get cancelled. This will go 3 times. 128 will go here 8 times. So the required answer is 24. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you once again for watching AyaansEasyMath.